Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to configure DHL shipping in Odoo. DHL integration set up the DHL shipping connector in Odoo to manage DHL shipment to create directly within Odoo. Configuring DHL shipping method simplifies the process of calculating shipper rate and generating the shipping labels. So how do we configure it? So to configure the DHL shipping method, you need to simply do this. To enable DHL delivery method, install the DHL Express shipping module. DHL delivery method can be configured and added as a line item to sell orders, which allows for automatic computation of shipping rate and generation of shipping labels. To create a DHL shipping method, navigate to Inventory app, Configuration, Delivery Methods, then click New to open a delivery method form. If a shipping method has already been created, it can be selected from the screen. As you can see, this is how it is done. So from now on, the DHL configuration tab. The DHL configuration tab on the shipping method form is used to connect the user's DHL account to Odoo and configure the shipping method detail. So you would need some kind of DHL developer credentials, which you can get from the website of DHL. So simply the integrate DHL with Odoo developer credentials must be provided from DHL's developer portal. And these credentials are used to link the user's DHL account to Odoo's inventory app so you can literally view it. So without DHL Express account, and there is a method with the DHL Express account. The best one is this one. If a DHL Express account is available, log into it and record the DHL API account number. Then in Odoo, on the shipping method form, enter the DHL API key, DHL site ID field, and the API secret in the DHL password field. And once you are done with that, you simply have to add the shipping details from region, products, package type, etc. And you're all set up. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.